Yep, this is Sky Warner from here from Virginia Beach, Virginia. From Transman from Rayfield. And the winds are strong as hell. Right behind me, hail. Not even hail right now, but even a sprinkling of rain, but the other draft is like hard to hear. So let me zoom in. You can see it. That draft, the swamps are like probably higher cloud tops than even know. And the winds right now, alrighty. Ooh, 7.8 right now, so more storms are back out west. So we had to check these storms later, but the advice from the sky from today, but even though these storms are approaching,